And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's Styles by Nine. But in this video, you already know, you already know what it is. So, in this video, this is just a routine I picked up on TikTok. I really picked this up from TikTok. So, I'm gonna show y'all what I use, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Of course, you got the witch hazel, and y'all already know I'm gonna drop everything in the description box below. I'm gonna put y'all on. So you need witch hazel, and this oil, it's the best. You can use this for your hair, nails, your body. It's that. It's good. And you need Noxzema. Definitely. It's just a cream. It's the first thing you put on your face, to start off everything. And what I use to put this on, when I'm putting on the witch hazel, I just use cotton face pads so I can just rub on my face. And what I use, but after I take the Noxzema off, I use my little witch hazel their facial wipes. You can use them anytime, you can. So now I'm gonna brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna get into this face stuff. So yeah. Alright, so I'm back. I just got done brush my teeth. So y'all know how y'all be have the water and stuff around your mouth. At this point, you don't even gotta wipe it off. Cause what I do is I just get some water and I just dab my face up. I just get the water all on my face. And if you have your scarf on, do not worry about your forehead area. So you get the Noxzema, and then you just rub this on your face in circular motions. That's all you're doing, in just circular motions. Okay. You just put on your face, go here, here, and you just rub it on. Put on your face. It's not really a certain time, but make sure you don't get it in your eye or kind of close to your eye, because the fumes will probably get on that. I can't really explain it, but just don't get it in your eye. Don't do that. So, but remember, you're just doing circular motions. Just circular motions. Like I said, it's not really a amount of time you have to do this. But make sure it's all on your face. Especially, dang, I can't talk. Especially in areas that you feel you're having acne at. Just rub it in your face. You can either, you don't have to wet your face first. You can just, just go ahead and start, and then, because you're still going to wet your face regardless. So you can either start with a damp face, or you can just start with a dry face. It doesn't really matter. So now I am finished rubbing it in. So regular face wash, you gotta wash it off. You just gotta wash it off. Oh, yeah. Put it in. And as it looks like this, well, when I notice it starts to look like this, I just go ahead and rinse it out. So now I'll be back. I'm gonna rinse this out. Oh, just get a towel. Wipe your face off. Wipe your face. So now, since you are finished basically with the water and stuff, so you can take your scarf off now if you want to, because this is a part of this video. We're gonna get cute. So you can take your scarf off. But for me, I'm gonna take my scarf off because I gotta do my forehead. Y'all see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? It's laid. So, okay. So now, what you need is your face, the wipes. You need this. These are really like a good investment. I actually had these before I got the other products, and I've been using these. Like, I'm mostly big on facial wipes. Like, if I know I'm not gonna wash my face or if I don't have time, I use my wipes. So after I use the Noxzema, I'll do, you just need one. That's it. And they're kind of thick too. So you just need one. You can get these like at Walgreens, CVS, like really any type of drugstore for real. So you just wipe your face. You're pretty much going over anything that you missed, or you cleaning your face for real. So you're just cleaning your face, and if you have any piercings or anything, make sure you definitely clean around there, because if you have piercings, say like you have nose rings, your nose can easily get dried up in that area. Like, you just have to make sure you're cleaning your stuff. Like, you have to. And with me, I always clean like up under my chin and my neck, because those are like the places that nobody really cleans at. Like, but yeah, definitely. So after I use this, look at that. You need your witch hazel. You need that. Like, this particular witch hazel that I use is for the perfect toner, like for your skin. Like, this actually brings your skin tone out. Like, it just brightens up your skin. Like, this is so pretty. Like, and you'll know exactly what I mean. Like, trust me, it's really fast results. So I just get my little face pad, and of course you gotta open it. Literally don't need a lot. You know, if you use it a lot, you're reaching. Definitely, you're reaching. So all you gotta do is just wipe this all on your face. Literally, it's gonna dry up, or you can like just let it air dry. Like, you don't have to do anything, you know, because this is also, witch hazel also cleans your face as well. Like, this is also a good thing you can use to clean your face. So you just do the same thing. You just go all over your face, like everywhere, especially the most, like, you know how like on your face you get like dry spots and stuff. Make sure you apply it to like the most driest spot on your face. Definitely, you need that. Okay, all right. So after you use that, you don't need to do it no more. Just let your face air dry. Let that baby dry. So I hope y'all cleaning up as y'all go. Don't just be sitting stuff down. Like, no, make sure everything is sealed tight, especially your Noxzema. Make sure, like, no, make sure it's sealed together. Clean up. Don't just be throwing stuff down. Put it in the trash. Clean up. This bad boy right here. Right here. The best. Like, my skin be feeling laid, honey. Y'all see how my hair is shining right here? That's how my skin be feeling. Like, laid, sweetie. Like, laid. So with these, well, with this, you do not need a lot. Like, and that's why you're gonna never run out like that fast with this, because you only need a couple drops. You just need to apply one on your forehead. I just dropped some, but it's okay. Here, here, and there, and you're done. And all you have to do is just rub it in. Literally. Like, I literally discovered this routine on TikTok. Like, TikTok. And it works. Like, I ain't gonna put y'all onto something and it don't work. Like, I'm gonna make sure y'all good. Like, it's good. So for all you gotta do is rub it around your face, you know, because it's a moisturizer. Like, you definitely need this, like, after you do your face. Like, you need a moisturizer on your face. So after you rub it in, you know, your face is good, sweetie. The face is good. Okay, time to get cute. But hold on, let me put some on my lips first, cause I ain't really a cute look on my lips. I don't really have much to do to my hair, like, considering that I already like did it last night for real. But the only thing that I'm going to be doing is just straightening it again. Like, I like for my joints to be bone straight, like. And this is still my wig from Nadula, so it still look good. And I had added like the little blonde streaks, but I wanted to wear it to the side, cause I never wear my hair to the side. So I was like, why not try it? So I did it, girl. I did it. I tried it, and I actually like it to the side. Like, I'm not a really side part person. I'm more of a middle part type person. So if you're a middle part person, you get me. Like, you're understanding. So here's to the side. I don't really need to straighten it, but look how shiny it is. Like, period. And I'm gonna show y'all what I use to make it silky and straight. Well, the hair is already silky, but to make it, like, you know, pop. This that stuff right here. This that stuff. This that stuff. So that's what you need. So I didn't plug up the, you know, the flat iron or anything. So while that warm up, I'ma go, you know, be in the mirror. So yeah, hold that thought. Just 1 second. Just one. It's like, nah. Okay. So I don't really gotta do too much, like, cause you already know, like, it's pretty much done. I just want it to be, you know, straighter. And just look at that, like, they do the hair is just so silky, bruh. Like, this joint silky. I love it. I love this hair. I do. I don't really need, I'm not gonna use my hot comb, considering the fact that it's already laid down. Cause last night I used some oil to lay my hair down, so I don't really want it to, like, I don't really want to put heat on it, and I don't need to flatten it because it's literally flat. Like, ladies, if you just want to do your hair like flat and you don't want to like keep putting heat on there, girl, you better get some oil and lay that joint on there and put your scarf on, and you're gonna look like this. Like, yeah, do that. Get that oil, cause look, like, and it's still shiny. Like, I'm so short, I had to get on my tippy toes. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side, I'm gonna do this side, and then after I do my hair, we're gonna go outside, you know? We're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna show y'all, like, how y'all face gonna look. Like, this pretty. Like, but don't, okay, this is what I don't want people to do. Like, I don't want people, this probably might sound cocky or whatever, but I don't take it as me sounding cocky. I don't want people to feel like they have to do things in order for them to be pretty. Like, don't feel like you have to change your hair this way to be pretty. Don't feel like you have to wear makeup for you to feel pretty. Like, you don't need none of that to feel pretty. You're pretty. Like, seriously. Like, I've seen a lot of girls but DM me and be like, oh, I want to look just like you. No. We all are pretty. Like, regardless, boy, girl, I don't care. I don't want you to feel like you have to change yourself to get other people's approval. No, you don't. You're pretty in your own way. Like, trust me, be yourself. Be yourself. You don't have to change yourself for nobody. Like, you don't. You're pretty. So I don't want to see nobody else DMing me. Oh, I want to get like this. I want to look like you. No. You are perfect in your own way. Like, it might be, it's going to be somebody else out there that might be better than you. But trust me, honey, you look good, okay? You look good. Don't let nobody tell you that you ugly, because if they do, they reaching. You're not ugly. Period. You're not ugly. You're not. I just had to get that out there. But yeah, it's so silky. Silky. This little part right here kind of irritates me. And I kind of like been leaving it alone because I don't really care that much. But I notice like when I recording and stuff, I just be like, ugh. So I don't really care too much. So I'm just gonna like put it down here. All right. So I think we good. We about to go outside. Like, I'm finna go outside. And I'm gonna show y'all how y'all skin gonna look. Like, y'all gonna thank me later. But if your face breaks out, you ain't get it from me. You just didn't. You didn't. I'm sorry. Sorry. But let's go. Like, we about to go. Outside. We outside. And do y'all see my skin? Y'all see it? All that. You see my skin? So go get that stuff. Like, now it is so hot out here and I feel like my lips gonna lift up. But yes, go get those products and thank me later. Like, thank me later. So I'm gonna go take pictures and we out.